This is a test of the Countralia emergency warning system issued by the national government of Countralia. Stay calm, there is no emergency to be concerned about. This is only a quick test. Once this test ends, your average broadcast will continue as always. Do not be alarmed about any disasters, this is only a test, there is no emergency. This broadcast was transmitted to all national television from the national government of the Districtive Republic of Countralia. You can now resume your average broadcast.